the Jeannie and Cotton Show. Hey, Jeannie and Cotton fans, welcome to the Jeannie and Cotton Show. So today I'm so excited because I'm going to be making unicorn poop squishies. I know, hilarious. So first of all, look guys, these are going to be the little unicorn poops and they're going to be so cute and I'm really excited. And I'm using silicone, so this is going to be so fun. So let's get started and see how they turn out. Okay, everybody, so now I am finished with the unicorn poops. They are amazing. They're super duper soft and they're perfect. They look exactly like unicorn poops. Like, look, unicorn poop. Oh, a unicorn did that. So yes, they're super duper soft and like, look, it's so pretty. And it's silicone, so it's amazing. And here's this one. They're super fun to squish. So yes, I love them. One of them did have a little texture, but yeah, so I love these. I just think they're so amazing, and I hope you guys do too. And remember, these are going to be on my Etsy, so Squishy Boutique, and the link will be down below. So yes, please comment, like, and subscribe, and comment down below how you like these, and if you want to buy one. Bye, everybody!